It's all right. This is Bubba's Shack Food Review. Bubba's back here behind the dumpster here having him an ice cold beer. What you got, Bubba?
I got me a 211.
211. It's good too. It's 100 degrees today.
Do that with the doctor. The doctor told me not to do this, but
Well, that's your medicine.
I'm gonna do it anyway.
Well, he's gonna do it anyway. Well, Bubba, we supposed to be doing a food review, and you said you found something back here behind the dumpster you wanted to eat, and I believe it's these right here. Bubba says that baby mice he found, and he said he sees where the Japanese people eat them, so he wants to eat them. The baby mice. Look at that bad boy right there. Oh my God, Suki Suki. Yes, sir. Well, there they are, Bubba. Let's do a food review.
What's his last name?
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao?
Uh-huh.
I believe I can be a little bit better than him.
All right, well, let's do this food review. You called me up and said you had a great food review.
What, Manny Pacquiao?
No, you said you had a great food review of eating this delicacy. How you say it?
Delicacy?
Delicacy. I can't say it.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's see it. Go, no. No. Eat it up, Bubba. Chew it. Chew it up. Oh God!
I got one more.
You gonna give me a heart attack? I can't take it. Oh man, what happened, Bubba? Did it taste good or what? You lost for words right now. Ah,
Oh, man.
that was wrong.
I lost my chip.
Here.
I've had 2 heart attacks. You got one more, Bubba.
Look at that, Bubba. Look at that bad boy right there. Let me see you do that one there. You couldn't do too much with it. Do it one more. Let's see if you can do a food review on that. Ooh.
All right, hang on for a second.
Well, you know, we're making a video.
Take a sip of your beer.
Yeah. That was good though, wasn't it? And this one you'd be able to keep down, I believe. Let's see it in your hand. Oh yeah. Go on, throw it in your head. You pulled it off, didn't you? I thought his feet was moving, but I believe it was dead.
Was his feet moving? It looked like it. How'd it taste? He didn't come back up though. Oh, is he still in there? Oh shit! He still didn't come back up.
I can't take it. Bubba, you can put me in the hospital. I can't take it. Oh my God. Did the first one, when you bit into it, did his head come open, busted open his head, did he?
Yeah.
When you was chewing on the first one? Oh,
That
God.
second one looked like his legs were moving.
Oh, man.
He didn't come back up though.
Bubba back here eating dead mice.
What he tastes like. Wasn't too bad.
You crazy as hell.
Oh man.
Well, Bubba, tell the world what you just ate.
Well, I just eating some mice.
that you found on the ground
Y'all found them on the ground.
behind this dumpster. And you wanted to try it, didn't you?
Yeah, I wanted to try them because I was hungry. My stomach was growling, and I wanted something to eat.
Well, Bubba, you want to tell the world goodbye?
Yeah, I like to tell the world goodbye. Y'all have a good day, and be safe. And Bubba Shacks, he's gonna move on.
And what did Popeye say?
Popeye said,